Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this viral math question 9 divided by 2 parenthesis 2 plus 1 to the power whole square. Try to solve by your own and comment your answer whatever it is, right or wrong. I will give you a shout out in this shout out list. You will get feature here by commenting your answer. So we will solve here with the help of PEMDAS and by using a stepwise method. Okay, so everybody will understand how this is going to solve. So we are going to solve like many are solving like this, but we will use the PEMDAS. So according to PEMDAS, first step will go to this parenthesis part. When we solve this parenthesis part, what we get 2 plus 1 which equals to 3. So we will rewrite 3 in the place of this 2 plus 1. We will our right question 9 divided by 2 3 for square. Now in the next step 3 square is what? 3 square is nothing but 3 times 3 which equals to 9. So we will simply write in the place of 3 square we will write 9. So our equation will become 9 divided by 2. We can write like this. Okay, 9 divided by 2 times 9. So many will solve like this. 9 divided by 2 and 2 times 9. And according to PEMDAS, division and multiplication have the same priority and we have to solve from left to right. So first we will do this operation. So we will rewrite like this. Okay, we can write like this. So again, what we will get 9 times 9 that is equal to 81 divided by 2. So this is the right answer, or you can say 40 times 1 by 2 actually. This is the right answer. And if you're seniors, then must check out this product seniors in the description. And thanks for watching. Subscribe channel for more videos like this.